الحمد لله رب العالمين هو الأول هو الآخر هو الظاهر هو الباطن عز جارك وتبارك اسمك وجل ثناؤك وأفضل صلوات الله وأنم بركات الله وأتم تسليمات الله على شجرة الأسل النورانية ولمعة القبضة الرحمانية صاحب العلوم الاصطفانية وطور تجليات الروحانية صاحب القبضة الأصلية روح جسد الكونين وعين حياة الدارين صاحب قاب قوسين روح جسد الكونين وعين حياة الدارين صاحب قاب قوسين المزين بكل زين جد الحسن والحسين وجوهر الشريف الأبدي ونور القديم المحمدي الصمدي سيدنا وحبيبنا ومولانا وملجانا محمد رسول رب العالمين وعلى آله الطيبين الطاهرين وأزواجه الطاهرات أمهات المؤمنين وأصحابه المكرمين المعزمين وأولياء أمته الكاملين العارفين وعلماء ملته الراشدين المرشدين رضوان الله تعالى عليهم أجمعين. أما بعد فقال الله سبحانه وتعالى في قرآنه العظيم وختامه القديم قل إنما أنا بشر مثلكم ويقول الله سبحانه وتعالى في شان حبيبه المبارك إن الله وملائكته يصلون على النبي يا أيها الذين آمنوا صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما. اللهم صل على سيدنا ومولانا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا ومولانا محمد أحرق القلوب بعشق لقاء جمال حبيبك سيدنا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وبارك وسلم. صدق الله المولى العظيم وصدق رسوله النبي الحبيب الكريم ونحن على ذلك لمن الشاهدين والشاكرين والحمد لله رب العالمين. Sufiya Ikram, Ulema Ikram, my respected elders, brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. When the weather changes, it changes the temperament of the human. When it's a very hot day, the human being sweats. And when it's a very cold day, he begins to shiver. Medical science has developed countless medication for numerous types of diseases and numerous types of effects on the human body. When you take that tablet, which is prescribed for a specific thing, there is an instant reaction of the human body. Which proves that the temperament, the condition of the human being varies according to elements linked to it. We also are exposed to scientific discoveries and technology which affects the life of every individual present here or no matter wherever he may be living. A person at the time of the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, living far away from Medina Munawwara, one day realized that what am I doing? I am so far away from the messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I should go to his presence and embrace the religion of Islam and achieve salvation which is promised by Allah. He sets up, he goes, he travels. The moment he reaches Medina Munawwara in Masjid al-Nabawi Shareef, it was a time that the Nabi alayhi salatu wasalam had got up from his seat and was walking into his room, the hujra of Sayyida Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha, just before he could go inside. This man rushed to him and said, As-salatu was-salamu alayka ya Rasulullah. He greeted the beloved Nabi Sayyidina Mustapha sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, whose face was focused towards the door of the room and he was behind. It was the unique character of the beloved Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam to turn his face to the person who is addressing him or who is greeting him or who is communicating with him. The beloved Habib sallallahu alayhi wa sallam turned his glorious face, his brilliant face, his Noorani face towards the person and replied to his salam and entered the room. This was the first and the last time that this person saw the glorious face of the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. It was a split of a moment, it was a few seconds that he came in contact with the luminant face, bright face, Noorani face of the beloved Habib sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Nabi alayhi salatu wasalam entered the room, total privacy, the door was closed. This person spent a few moments in Masjid al-Nabawi Shareef and returned. This man had not performed one single salah behind the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. He did not spend 1 month in the company of the beloved Mustapha sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. He did not stay there for a week, nor did he stay there for a complete day. It's a matter of a few seconds. Saw the face, he returned. He went home far away from Medina Munawwara. And after some time, the beloved Habib sallallahu alayhi wa sallam departed from this dunya. And this person did not have a second chance to see the glorious face of the Habib sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Now, if the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blesses an individual with 100 or 1,000 years of life, it is exaggerated time, but it is just for you to understand, if the mercy of Allah, and it is possible and is within the qudrat of Allah to give anybody a lifespan of 1,000 years. There's nothing surprising about that, because Sayyidina Khidr ala Nabiyyana alayhi salatu wassalam, he is still physically alive. He is the Prophet of Allah. He is alive from the time of Nabi Idris alayhi salam. Sayyidina Ilyas alayhi salam is still physically alive. Sayyidina Idris alayhi salam is physically alive. And Sayyidina Isa ala Nabiyyana alayhi salatu wassalam is also physically alive. 4 prophets are still physically alive. 2 are in the skies, 2 are on the earth. It's a qudrat of Allah. If Allah gives you 1,000 years of life, and by His divine guidance and by His divine mercy, He gives you the tawfiq of performing salah continuously, all the farz and all the sunnah, all the wajib. Plus He gives you the tawfiq of going to Hajj every year. And He also gives you the tawfiq to fast the entire year in all those years of your life. And he sacrifices in the path of Allah every single penny that he has, and he does nothing but good deeds for 1,000 years. Such a person can become an Abdul of his time. 1,000 years. He can become a Qutbe of his time. He can become the Ghaus of his time. He can become Ghousul-Waqt of his time. He can become Mufti-e-Azam of his time. He can become the Farid of his time. He can become the shaykh al-mashayikh, nizam al-millati wal-haqq wal-sharh wal-deen, mahbub-e-ilahi of his time. He can become a great wali of his time. 1,000 years. But he cannot become a sahabi who saw the glance of the Nabi for a split of a moment. Qutbe, 1,000 years of ibadah. Absolute devotion, undivided attention to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's devotion. There is a person, 1 split of a second he saw the face of the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. He becomes a sahabi, and this person who is a devout servant of Allah, he becomes a wali, and that's it, not more. What is it that if the eye gets in touch with the glorious face of the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam and elevate an individual's status so high that the next person can spend the entire life in the ibadat of Allah, he can't reach there? सोचो, एक लम्हा जलवाए जमाले मुस्तफा पर नजर पड़ जाती है, सहाबी बन जाती है। और इधर 1000 साल की इबादत से वो मकाम हासिल नहीं हो सकता जो मकाम एक लम्हा में एक इंसान को हासिल हो जाता। सोचो, you think it is very important for you to know. It proves that 1,000 years of devotion is one side. 1000 साल की इताअत और इबादत एक तरफ, 1000 साल वो एक तरफ रख दो, और दूसरी तरफ एक लम्हा चंद सेकंड, few seconds हुजूर का दीदार एक तरफ, दोनों की बराबरी हो ही नहीं सकती। अक्ल हैरान है, परेशान। अल्लाह फरमाता है, कुल इन्नमा अना बशरुम मिथलुकुम। Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala states